Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Shaina Mafira with student number 36. In this video, I would like to practice my consecutive interpreting. So everyone, let's see the video.
Thank you for such a wonderful introduction. Great. I'm here today to talk about motivation. And I've learned in my few years on this earth that motivation is really the key to affecting change in anything that you do. You can put a paper that was written without any motivation, without any effort, and you can put a paper that was written with drive and passion next to each other, and it's clear which one is the winner. Motivation is the underlying factor, I believe, in everything that we do on a daily basis. If you don't have motivation in something that you do, then you really can't achieve what it is that you want to achieve. Everyone has motivation for things that they're passionate about, things that interest you, things that inspire you. And of course you'll have motivation if you play a sport, if you're in drama, if you're in band, you'll have motivation to accomplish that task.
Motivasi adalah kunci yang sesungguhnya untuk menciptakan suatu perubahan di setiap hal yang dilakukan. Ketika Anda membandingkan sebuah tulisan yang ditulis tanpa adanya motivasi dan juga usaha dengan tulisan yang ditulis dengan adanya suatu dorongan dan juga semangat, maka hal ini jelas berbeda. Tulisan yang kedua yang akan menjadi pemenangnya. Jika Anda tidak memiliki motivasi untuk melakukan sesuatu, maka Anda tidak akan mendapatkan apa yang Anda inginkan. Seseorang akan memiliki motivasi untuk sesuatu yang diinginkan, seperti halnya sesuatu yang menginspirasi dan juga sesuatu yang menarik.
But the true test of finding motivation is if you can find it in something that doesn't interest you. Personally, I'm interested in sitting through town council meetings and reading the 404-page Town of Barnstable budget. But others might not find so much paper so interesting. However, motivation can be found in everything that you do. I like to look at it in terms of finding motivation as just putting yourself in someone else's shoes. When you're questioning, why do I have to do this? Why do I have to put in the time? Why do I have to put in the effort? You can just look at what you're doing and say, this helps this person because, or this person is going to appreciate my effort and my motivation on this task because. And I've always found that appreciation that others have for the effort that you put in, that's what motivates me, the fact that someone's going to appreciate what I did. So,
ujian untuk menemukan motivasi adalah ketika hal tersebut tidaklah menarik bagi Anda. Motivasi dapat ditemukan di setiap hal yang Anda lakukan. Saya suka melihatnya dalam hal menemukan motivasi sebagai sekedar menempatkan diri pada posisi orang lain. Saya menemukan bahwa penghargaan yang dimiliki oleh orang lain atas usaha yang dilakukan itulah hal yang memotivasi saya. Dan dengan ini, seseorang akan menghargai apa yang saya lakukan.
So when the teacher gives you a paper or something to do and you say, this is stupid, I have better things to do, I'd much rather go outside and throw a football, whatever it is, look at it and say, this person is going to appreciate the work. This person put in the effort to create the assignment. Now they're going to see it and they're going to appreciate it. And I do that in every assignment that I'm given and everything that is ever brought before me. And that's always something that I think we need to go out and look at when we go out to tackle an issue. Filing papers, people might not find it interesting, but think about how much help you're doing to somebody else. Think about the responsibility that you're helping someone else fulfill. And that sort of help and appreciation motivates you. For me, fine dressing is something that I like to do every single day, and I don't just do it because I enjoy it, I do it because people appreciate it. People see that I took the extra time to prepare myself for whatever it is that I'm doing, and they thank me for it. And that thanks, that appreciation, is truly what motivates me to go out and do whatever it is that is put before me. So I want to finish briefly just by saying that motivation is so important in anything that you do, and without it, you really can't accomplish what you want. But with it, you have the passion to affect change, you have the passion to make a difference, and you really do have the passion to go out and change the way things are done and make a difference in anything that you want to do. Thank you for your time and your ears.
Ketika seorang guru memberikan tugas dan Anda merasa malas untuk mengerjakannya, Anda akan berpikir bahwasanya hal itu adalah suatu hal yang konyol atau suatu hal yang tidak penting. Namun, Anda bisa melihat dari sudut pandang yang lain, bahwasanya seseorang yang menyusun tugas itu dan akan menghargai hasil kerja Anda. Penghargaan orang lain bisa menjadi sumber motivasi. Bahkan tugas sederhana pun akan bermakna jika Anda sadar bahwa Anda sedang membantu orang lain. Pada intinya, motivasi adalah suatu kunci. Tanpa adanya sebuah motivasi, Anda akan sulit mencapai suatu tujuan. Tapi, dengan adanya sebuah motivasi, Anda akan memiliki semangat untuk membuat perubahan yang baru. Okay everyone, that's all the interpretation practice from me. And thank you for your attention and see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.